Hello, my friends! It is time to do day 16 Create and Bloom Advent Calendar or Advent Basket. Excuse our messy kitchen. Yes, we have our Christmas tree in our kitchen because we have a small place and it's the only place it really fits. Oh, this is a big one. 16th. All right. Let's get in here. Dun, 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 dun. Ooh, big one. This is big container, and it looks pretty. It is an opaque resin pigment in ultramarine. That is gonna be lovely. Stay tuned for the picture so you can see a true color in the light other than a light from a Christmas tree. All right. Love is all we need. Bye.